What's up, everybody? Hope you all are doing well. So I wanted to make a little video in honor of the Olympics going on, and one of the most interesting competitions that has been happening is Olympic shooting. So they fire a fake bullet to a target. It's not a real bullet, it's all electronic signal probably. And they get scored based on their accuracy and whether the target moves. Now Turkey has sent an athlete by the name of Yusuf Dikec, and it's such a meme how he did it because it is the most Turkish style, and I can attest to that, being of Turkish heritage, that just the pose, demeanor, the casualness, the laxness, and the lack of really any heavy equipment and protective gear, and just nailing it to get a silver was probably one of the most remarkable highlights of these Olympic Games in Paris. So immediately thought, why not recreate this in Lego? It'd be a pretty cool little meme model to make nice vignette, and it fits in a 16 by 16 space, so it's also qualified as sort of a larger habitat, a Lego habitat scene. So I'll show you guys how I built this. You don't really have to use any special parts. Straightforward parts from any pick-a-brick or recent sets will do. And I'll close this out after I show the tutorial. So we'll start with two 6 by 16 plates of your choice of color. I have black available, so I'll use black. An 8 by 16 tan plate. You might need a little soft plastic mallet for this. This will act as like that little area to range that the Olympic contestants are firing over. 6 by 16 plate in blue. This will base Yusuf Dikec and his setup. And we'll build a 16 stud long wall using a combination of basic bricks. So I have 1 by 6, 1 by 4, and a 1 by 16 brick on hand that we can use. So we'll just add up to 16. Pretty easy with this combination, with a 646 and a solid 16 stud brick on top. And I'll put it in the back there to add a little more space. So grab a combination of 2 by 6 and 4 by 6 plates, which will add up to 16. Two 1 by 6 tiles. Having this space be completely stud flat is important because this will allow you to set up the correct pose for Yusuf Dikec. 1 by 2 tile here, jumper plate here, 2 by 2 tile there, and back here you can just use a regular 2 by 2 plate. We'll add up to 16 studs on the front here, which I have available a combination of 1 by 8, 1 by 6, and 1 by 2 tiles. And we'll build the little base where the holster is located. So we'll use a 2 by 4 plate and really add up to 2 by 4 beneath it. So I just have a bunch of 2 by 2 plates in blue and dark blue. This will create like the striping that was actually assigned to Yusuf Dikec. That'll go here. A pair of 2 by 2 plates in white for the top part, and a bunch of 1 by 1 round studs with the hole to simulate, like, I believe, sort of the holster where the gun is picked up for the competition. In order to have the screen, we will use, so they have a little tablet on the left side that probably gives them information on their play. We'll use this nipple piece and a cheese wedge in olive. So I'll just gently put the nipple piece here and just rest the olive cheese wedge there. And now what's left is the minifigure. So we will construct the minifig using a pair of black pants, a plain white torso, glasses face with a little bit of a smile, not too wide of a smile, and a dark gray hairpiece. So there's your minifig. But something else is missing. The wall with the target. So we'll use a bunch of 1x2x3 white bricks to at least set this up. Selective compression narrows the range a little bit. Obviously in tournament this must have been a much larger, much farther away range. 1x2, 2x2 bracket, and two 1x2 lime tiles, which I have on hand. If you could use a 2x2, it's probably better. We'll make the target. And the combination that adds up to 7 studs on each side of a layer of plate and tile. But I saved the best for last. The gun that Yusuf Dikec used to win him that silver medal. And just like that, you have that silver medal performance. So there you have it, hand in pocket. Well, minifigs don't have pockets, so I tried my best to capture that look. Yusuf Dikec getting his silver medal in the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. I'd like to thank you for watching this video and following along this short little tutorial. And I look forward to sharing more creative models and special builds. But of course, if you want to see those and be the first to know when they come up, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And while you're at it, feel free to share your thoughts and feel free to caption this meme. We all want to hear everybody's take on this particular scene. From HQ, rooting for the US national team as well as the Turkish national teams, this is Dr. Tolga out.